Alright, and then so now that we have everything disconnected, I'm gonna lay the computer down like this, facing down, and you gotta be careful to put something soft so it doesn't scratch the screen. And this is a little latch right here that you need to open, so you need to unlock it, and then this one you have to push up this button and then release it, like bringing this up right here. So you bring this one up, and let's put it on the side right now, and then once this one is on the unlock position, you'll be able to lift this back cover just the way like this, being careful about it and having some patience. There we go. Just wiggle a little bit. Sometimes there's like some clips right here in the back that need to be lifted carefully so we don't damage or break the little clips. Alright, let's check this out. Careful right here, so it has like some little plastic tabs in there. I think I'm gonna use a little, probably two. There's a little wiggle helps. In this case, something's stuck in there. Very good. So. Alright, then we have a little opening tool right here that we can use. It's just that something is not letting it come up. So I'm going to bring this one over here. Just it's not doing up. You gotta be careful so we don't break. There we go. So that was just like a little tip. This one right here was the one, the stopper one. So it came out. Once we have that one already open, we lift it. And so there's no screws. We have to lift this one, this plate, up this way. And in order for me to do that, so these things need to be lifted up. See, there's like a little clip right here and there's another clip right here. So we lift it just like that and then goes up all the way. Just being careful about it. There's like this sticky. There we go. And this is how we get to the motherboard, to the motherboard and the memory. So as you see, it's at 32 gigabytes per stick. So we're gonna remove one and we're gonna get the computer to back together. same way. Put this little tab back in here. Push down. We put the plastic. This is going by pressure, so we're gonna push down carefully. Remember to be careful because the screen is on the bottom. So if you push too hard, you might break it. So just be careful about it. Make sure everything is gonna be nice and flat. And it should be it. Alright, so thank you for watching, and I'm gonna keep troubleshooting this one, and it should be good. Thank you.